The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to collect water samples on swine farms. Routinely collecting water samples is important to ensure good drinking water quality. This helps us to monitor water quality challenges that could affect water consumption, pig health, production, and biosecurity. It's recommended to test water once per year, or if able, once per turn. Water should be collected from multiple locations within a farm. There should be at least 2 water samples collected for each assessment, one from the source water and one from inside the farm. Focus on taking the in-farm sample specifically near the end of the water line. Disinfect the area prior to obtaining the sample. Research has shown that water quality in a farm, especially in coliforms and E. coli counts, can vary from the source water. If resources are available, testing water at multiple locations allows us to get a complete understanding of farm water quality. The first location the water should be collected is at the source water for the farm, or where the water comes into the barn. The source water could include well water, surface water, or rural treated water. This farm has a well for its water source. Well water is relatively stable but can change with influences in groundwater recharge and precipitation, depending on the time of year and local conditions. Surface water can change more rapidly based on the time of year, temperature, precipitation, and other factors. Rural water is a treated water source. However, testing is still warranted. Understanding the status of the source water is essential to understanding overall water quality on the farm. Once the location of the water samples has been identified, the following are the supplies you will need. For sterilizing, you will need alcohol wipes, a diluted bleach solution, and gauze pads, or a flame torch. You will need a 5-gallon bucket, a scrub brush, a clean 16-ounce plastic bottle, a pen or marker to label your sample, ice packs, a shipping box with a cooler, and a submission form. The first step in collecting a water sample is to clean the sample tap with water and a scrub brush to remove any debris. After external debris has been removed, flush the water for 10 to 20 seconds or until visible debris has been removed from the water line. Interior main water lines that are not routinely flushed may shed accumulated debris into the water for 30 seconds or more. Once the debris has been removed, close the spigot. Once the spigot has been flushed, it is time to sterilize the tap. There are multiple methods for sample tap sterilization. Sample taps can be sterilized via alcohol swabs, diluted bleach, or flame sterilization. Alcohol and diluted bleach solutions can be utilized to sterilize both plastic and metal sample taps. Make sure to completely apply the alcohol or diluted bleach solution to all surfaces of the sample tap. If using alcohol, allow 30 seconds to 1 minute of contact time. If using diluted bleach, allow a contact time of 2 minutes. Flame sterilization can be utilized for metal sample taps. Prior to flame sterilization, ensure there is no rubber seal on the inside of the sample tap. Apply the flame on the sample tap for around 10 seconds and move the flame around to ensure complete coverage on the spigot. Once the tap has been sterilized, open the spigot or ball valve to collect the water sample. Collect at least 16 ounces for each water sample. Fill the water sample to the top of the vessel and secure the cap. Label the water sample with the date and sample location. Place your labeled sample in the cooler along with ice packs. Place the submission form in a plastic bag and include it with your shipment. Submit your sample to the referral laboratory. Most water tests should assess minerals, water quality such as total dissolved solids, nitrates, and sulfates, coliforms, E. coli, and pH. Thank you for watching this IPIC tutorial of drinking water sample collection. For more information, please go to the IPIC website or contact Ashley Englin, swine field specialist at aenglin@iastate.edu or 712-737-4230.